go with the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, that's easy to see. 8 twos are 16, come sing with me. 8 threes are 24, we're moving along. 8 fours are 32, just like this song. 8 fives are 40, we're on a roll. 8 sixes are 48, let's reach our goal. 8 sevens are 56, clap your hands. 8 eights are 64, it's simple to understand. 8 nines are 72, getting near. 8 tens are 80, loud and clear. Let's repeat the table, it's easy to do. Sing it with me and we'll get through. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. 8 times this and 8 times that, multiplying 8 is where it's at. Step by step, the numbers rise. Let's keep going, it's no surprise. You've learned the table, and now you know. With the table of 8, you're ready to go. Keep practicing, and you'll be great. Multiplying 8 is always first rate.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.